Remember to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from English Improver.
Iron. He irons his shirts every morning. He irons his shirts every morning. She ironed his pants for him. She ironed his pants for him. Sew. She sews clothes for her children. She sews clothes for her children. He sewed a button on his shirt. He sewed a button on his shirt. Knit. He knits scarves and hats for charity. He knits scarves and hats for charity. She knitted a sweater for him. She knitted a sweater for him. Smell. She smells the flowers in the garden. She smells the flowers in the garden. He smelled something burning in the kitchen. He smelled something burning in the kitchen. Taste. She tasted the cake and said it was delicious. She tasted the cake and said it was delicious. Touch. She touched his cheek gently. She touched his cheek gently. He touched the hot stove and burned his hand. He touched the hot stove and burned his hand. See? He sees a doctor regularly. He sees a doctor regularly. She saw a movie last night. She saw a movie last night. Hear. She hears a strange noise in the attic. She hears a strange noise in the attic. He heard a knock on the door. He heard a knock on the door. Feel. He feels happy today. He feels happy today. She felt a pain in her chest. She felt a pain in her chest. Think. She thinks he is handsome. She thinks he is handsome. He thinks too much about the past. He thinks too much about the past. No. He knows a lot of facts about history. He knows a lot of facts about history. She knows how to speak French. She knows how to speak French. Understand. I understand your problem. I understand your problem. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? Remember. He remembers his first love. He remembers his first love. Do you remember where you put the keys? Do you remember where you put the keys? Forget. She forgets people's names easily. She forgets people's names easily. Don't forget to call me later. Don't forget to call me later. Learn. He learns new things every day. He learns new things every day. She learned how to drive when she was 18. She learned how to drive when she was 18. Agree. They agree on everything. They agree on everything. I agree with you completely. I agree with you completely.